Hi everyone, I am a Major. In this video, we will watch the inner space selection. First, we can activate the super disk in the drawing area. We can click this icon, or press the shortcut key to activate the super disk. Then click on the smart box. Here, after setting the parameters, to create an intelligent box, or create a group or component, select the created model. Then activate the space segmentation, or press the shortcut key for space segmentation. It can also activate the space segmentation. Then, here, to quickly draw some plates. We are using the gesture drawing function now. To quickly draw some plates. These are, which we have talked about in previous videos. If you don't understand, you can watch the previous videos. It is recommended that watch our tutorial in a systematic order. Okay, now we have created these plates. We click inside. Click in this blank area, which is equivalent to selecting the inner space. The selected interior will turn red. So this is what we call the inner void option. It is very simple to choose the inner space. But there are some concepts here. This is the idea of inner space levels. What does it mean? So we have now chosen this small inner space, and it shows a small red one. We click to return to the previous level. At this time, it will go to the inner space of the upper level. Then the red void, it will get even bigger. Okay, let's click again. You can see that it will become a larger level of space. The red class space will be displayed larger. Okay, let's click again. Click again. Click again. Click again. When we click, and the red dotted box appears, it means we enter the bottommost inner space. After entering the bottommost inner space, if we click this button again, it will not have any effect. So, when we use space, in the process of space division modeling, it is important to note some changes in the concept of inner space. It has a hierarchical relationship. Okay, what about after we choose to reach this inner space? Besides clicking this icon, we can also press the key on the keyboard. The equal sign key, or the wave symbol key, or dot. It's located on the left of the number keys. In the subsequent video tutorials, I may call this key the wave key, or the equal sign key, or the dot key. So when you hear this, you can see that I have pressed this key. Of course, in the lower left corner of the screen, there will also be a display of shortcuts. When I press this key, it shows a dot. It's this key. In this way, when you are watching this tutorial, you can see it very clearly. Okay, then next, we can press the wave key. If pressing this key doesn't work, we can rotate the view. Okay, press it again. At this time, there is a change. Let's rotate the view a little bit. Press it again. After pressing it, we can see that it's inner space. It will return to the previous level, right? It returns to the previous level. So if we keep pressing it, it will enter the inner space of the upper level. When we press a dotted box, and that's where the lowest level of emptiness comes in. At this time, we press the wave symbol key again. It will have no effect. Okay, then we can. By pressing the tab key on the keyboard. So the tab key is equivalent to going forward one level. This key, it is to return to the previous level. This key, it is a forward inner space. So, we can rotate the view here. Press the tab key, and you can see that it appears like this, a level up in the class space. Okay, press it again, and this effect will appear. Okay, let's press it again, right? Then, it will keep moving forward. This inner space one level ahead. Okay, let's keep pressing. Then it will appear to the smallest inner space. If we want to return to, what if the previous level is empty? We can press the wave symbol key. Okay, let's rotate the view and press it again, right? So, we can use these two keys to switch continuously, to choose the level where the voids we need are located. Well, it's our video. An inner space option mentioned. Thank you, all.